Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorial, I'm going to be creating a look using the Huda Beauty Textured Shadows Palette Rose Gold Edition. Who remembers this palette? This is Huda Beauty's first palette ever. Yes, I still have it. It was expensive, and this is such a beautiful palette. Like, how can I? Who remembers? How pretty! Oh my goodness. This is such a gem. I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of this. Ever. So yeah. I'm going to be creating a look using this palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas. Besties, so today's eyeshadow palette is the Huda Beauty Textured Shadows Palette, Rose Gold Edition, and oh my god, this is such a gem. So I'm gonna be doing a look using this palette, and I think I'm gonna do like a rose gold since it's a rose gold edition. So why don't we just get started? Alrighty, so first things first, I think I'm going to go into, okay, so before we jump into the tutorial, I already did my eyebrows with Nothing New, Anastasia's Brow Wiz, and her Duo Powder, both in Ebony. Then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and used the same product to prime the lids with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then I lightly set that with translucent powder. I am gonna double set, if that's a word. And I'm gonna use the shade Bay. So I'm gonna grab my jumbo shader brush. Now for this, I need a mirror. So I'm gonna grab my ColourPop Yoda mirror, because this one did not. It just had that clear case. So yeah, Huda has come a long way, I'll say that. So just priming the lids like so. All right, now I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe R37. It's just your normal blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Flamingo. Should I go with Flamingo or should I not? Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Flamingo, which is this Barbie pink shade, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease. Ooh! Pigmentation. Oh my goodness. Pigmentation. Just building the shade and going back and forth, back and forth. Alrighty, so that's what the color looks like. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Shy, which is like a lighter baby pink, or pale pink I should say. And with the same brush, I'm just gonna use it up here to blend that pink. Alright, so that's what the color looks like. Now I am going to dabble into the shade Man Eater, which is this like burgundy red right here. And I'm gonna grab a more tapered blending brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that burgundy red or red, And I'm gonna apply it to this outer part right here. And I'm just patting the color so I can get the color, and then I'll worry about blending. Alright, now I'm gonna go back with my blending brush, and I'm just gonna run it through the crease a couple of times, just so that color blends into the pink, like so. I mean, for this 6-year-old eyeshadow palette, it's still performing very well. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna turn off over this brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Bossy, which is this shade right here. Now this is a burgundy. This is a red, I would say. Where is the color? Right here, Man-Eater. This is red and this is burgundy. So I already went with the red. Now I'm gonna go in with the burgundy. So like I said, I'm just gonna turn over my brush, and I'm gonna apply it right here to the most outer part of the lid. Now I'm going back with my blending brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Flamingo, which is the hot pink, back into the crease. I don't want to lose that color. Alrighty, and now for the fun part, I'm going to use a glitter base, and I'm going to use the McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and I'm just going to apply it to this inner part, and I'm going to go into the shade Rose Gold, which is this shade right here. Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm taking it all the way up until the crease. And these, you have to use a finger. These, you cannot use a brush because it will not pick up. And it is a little chunky. So, alrighty. So now that we'd apply that, now I'm going to go back in with the pink. Make sure everything looks blended out. Then I'm going to go into the tapered blending. And I'm going to go into Bossy and Man-Eater, which is that burgundy and red. I'm just going to mix the two and just use those two colors for this outer part. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes look like. They look a little dry, just because the mattes in this palette work beautifully still, but the glitters or the metallics, you know, it's been years and I feel like they've been compromised. On top of that, I have textured eyelids, and so this is why it looks like that, textured. But I'm still gonna go with it. I had fun using the palette. So now I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna finish the face, liner, lashes, and then I'll come back to show you what the final result looks like. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look, and I'm so happy it pulled through. I was a little skeptical with the glitter shade because I do have textured eyelids, and yeah, it wasn't looking too good. But you know, once I finished the entire face, you know, did a liner, lashes, it all came together. So yeah, this is the look I was able to come up with. This palette right here, it's an old school gem. So yeah, if you have this palette, the mattes work wonderfully, but this row right here in particular, I would stay away. I think the formula is compromised after all these years. So I would just say stick to the mattes. But yeah, this is the look right here. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.